Good morning, guys, and happy day one of cyber school. So I'm just going to do a quick video here to introduce you to Edpuzzle, which we'll be using for class notes and practice problems. So throughout this cyber learning, it will be a learning experience for me and for you, so things may change. So make sure that you are paying attention to Schoology announcements, checking that Google Doc, which will have your day's assignments, Edpuzzle, which we will be using for class notes, and also there will be checkpoints and questions that you'll need to answer throughout the Edpuzzle videos. And also, we may be using some different tools that we will go through later as they come up. If we take any tests or quizzes, I will make sure to give you notice, and they will be through Schoology. As always, do not hesitate to reach out, to email me, and also with any suggestions on anything that's working in a different class, or if something's not working in this class, please let me know. Good luck, and happy Cyber Week!